In a case that Kenyans are watching with a lot of interest, former Chief Justice David Maraga has sued lawyer Ahmednassir over some remarks the lawyer made about Maraga's tenure as Chief Justice in our country. Actually, some very controversial tweets about corruption in the Supreme Court, the highest court in the land, during the tenure of David Maraga. Not involving Maraga, but involving another senior judge of the Supreme Court, who is said to have taken a bribe. In the tweets that have led to this lawsuit, Abdullahi wanted Maraga to do something about it, was pestering Maraga to make a move about this corruption, probably to expose this particular judge, or even to take steps towards disciplining them in some way. Although in my view it is not very clear what the lawyer wanted the Chief Justice to do. That is what this super fascinating show is all about. And Abdullahi, in a sworn affidavit that has been released recently, makes some very interesting remarks and claims about the career of the former Chief Justice. Claims that will shock most Kenyans. Karibu sana to this show and enjoy.
Hi there. Before Chris starts the show, I have a quick one. I am here to draw your attention to some amazing videos, available right here on this channel. Videos that will not only entertain you but give you a much deeper understanding of Kenyan politics. And some videos about life hacks too. Admittedly, it has always been difficult to find the videos you are looking for, and to sort them from the over 2,427 videos on this channel. It is like looking for gold in a river, don't you think? The great news is that from today we have made it much easier for you. In the description area below you will find 10 great videos of this channel from the past. Every time Chris produces a new video we will have a different selection of 10 new gold nuggets for you. I am sure they will be of great interest and you will enjoy them. Please don't forget to check out the description area below immediately you finish watching this video. Only what can stand the test of time. That's what Chris has always tried, very hard, to do here. And now, over to you, Chris.
This affidavit that leading lawyer Ahmednassir has come up with in his defense, because he has been sued by former Chief Justice David Maraga. This affidavit is most fascinating. It puts down claims that paint a totally new picture of respected former Chief Justice David Maraga. That respected Kenyan who oversaw the Supreme Court that nullified the election of a president. The man who was the Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court that nullified the election of President Uhuru Kenyatta in 2017, becoming the very first Supreme Court or court on the entire continent of Africa and well beyond to nullify the election of a president. Now, lawyer Ahmednassir has always been a very dramatic person. Whenever he appears on Jeff Koinange's show, we are sure to be entertained and shocked by some of the things he says. In other words, he is a man of drama. And in this sworn affidavit, he does not disappoint. Bwana Abdullahi claims that he celebrated with chicken, ugali, and sukumawiki at the Karen home of David Maraga, in celebration after Maraga was appointed a judge of the Court of Appeal, something which Abdullahi played a key role in making happen. Abdullahi claims that Maraga lobbied him several times throughout his career, from the time when Maraga was appointed judge. You know, this is one of the things that happens when you sue somebody for defamation. You can be almost certain, anywhere in the world, that the person you have sued will try their best to drag your good name and your character through the mud, so that people don't view you the same after the defamation trial. And this is usually what makes many people hesitant to sue. And even when they sue, they usually seek an out-of-court settlement. Nobody wants to go through to trial. Hardly anybody. Now, this Maraga defamation trial is most interesting because the subject is corruption. But lawyer Abdullahi did not accuse Maraga directly of any corruption. What he did was that he accused the former Chief Justice of not doing anything to stop the corruption around him in the Supreme Court. Abdullahi appealed to the Chief Justice in a tweet and asked him and pestered him as to why he had done nothing to address the situation where a prominent Supreme Court judge received, wait for this one, 220 million Kenya shillings bribe from one side in a particular case, and then received even more than that from the other side. What Abdullahi was insinuating is that the Chief Justice should have done something about it. Abdullahi pestered Maraga to say something about it or to do something about it. And it seems that Maraga saw this as somebody tainting his good name, smearing his legacy, the Supreme Court, if you like. And this is only an affidavit. This is only the beginning. And so we should expect much more from both sides of this case as the case proceeds into full hearing. Now, this case would not have come at a worse time for the judiciary, because naturally it's casting more light, focusing on the topic, ensuring that that conversation concerning corruption at the judiciary will not leave us soon, which will put the judiciary under even more pressure, whichever side wins in this case. Because what Abdullah is telling us is that there's corruption even at the highest court in the land, the most respected court in the land. It is interesting that whatever you think of lawyer Abdullahi, he has been consistent in one thing. He has been very consistent in talking about corruption in the judiciary through the years. And so it will be super interesting to see how this saga develops. Until next time, this is Chris Kumekucha. Cartels in Kenya, are so powerful. It is impossible for the government of Kenya to bring them down. And that is why the latest moves by the DEA in the United States is causing quite a lot of jitters back home here in Kenya. They were not, under any circumstances, going to lose their grip, their grip on power. But there's something else the cartels had started doing way back in 2007. They started fielding candidates in very prominent, powerful political positions so that their influence would remain guaranteed. And we're going to name those individuals shortly.